Okay, probably not the most accurate. Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, we're gonna try a Temu, just kidding. It's an eBay exhaust from Thailand for the KLX300R, that guy right there. We'll see how it sounds. Performance, I never expect much out of any exhaust. I do have an EJK on that, so I can boost up the fuel if I need to. Mainly I change out exhaust for weight saving. So, you know, if it's too loud, maybe we'll try to add a spark arrestor like I did on the little 170. It's quiet enough to actually ride around and not be irritating, and you know, it lost a little bit of weight swapping that exhaust out, the big can that was on it. I'm assuming that there's going to be a substantial weight savings here too. I'll go grab the scale, see what we have to begin with, you know, as far as the new exhaust, and what the OEM exhaust weighs, to see if there is any weight benefit. It actually doesn't look too bad, and a magnet doesn't stick to it, so I'm assuming it's some sort of stainless steel. But let's take a look at the exhaust that I got on eBay for $298. And here it is. There is a silencer or a baffle that's removable. I'll show you on the other side. There's a plug you can remove to take out an Allen screw. Make some adjustments there, which will allow me to add a spark arrestor of, you know, not obviously from this manufacturer, but from an American manufacturer. Kind of pieced together, looks pretty cool. And here is that plug. You take that plug out, and there's an Allen screw under there. It allows you to pull that center section out. But yeah, $298 shipped from Thailand today. Which brings up another point. How do I get something from Thailand in 2 days for free? And I can't get anything from New York in less than a week, and it costs me money, right? Yeah, man, I don't know. Anyway, let's look at the bike. Hey, look, there's the bike. Zoom out a little bit, yeah. So the factory exhaust in this bike, to me, looks heavy. Don't know that it is heavy, but it looks heavy. The R model, which this one is, does not have an O2 sensor. So fitting an exhaust is probably a little easier. And as I mentioned earlier, I do have EJK on here, so I can boost up the fuel if I need to. If we have any weird popping or strange sensations, or the feel, you know, in the throttle that's lacking fuel, we can make that change. As far as changing the exhaust out, it looks fairly easy. There's two nuts on the head. There's a mounting tab right here. There's a pinch system right there to connect that to that. So yeah, let's pop this guy off. Got to take the seat off to do that, but that's okay. Seat concepts, love that seat. Anyway, yeah, I'll get this disassembled to the point where it looks like we can get the exhaust off, and I'll continue. Okay, 3 bolts, and 5 minutes later, we're down to this. We have a bolt here, just like we have a bolt here, pinch bolt there, 2 bolts in the head. EJK's mounted here with industrial Velcro, so there is some shock absorbent. Let's see if we can get this exhaust off. Okay, the 3 bolts that we do have to remove, pinch bolt and 2 here, are 12s. So that makes that easy. I'm assuming the head bolts are 12s too, but we'll check that out when we get there. Let's get the can off here first. Okay, probably not the most accurate of measurements, but I've got it pretty much balanced on here. And we're looking at like 5.1 pounds for this entire aftermarket exhaust, right? And the can alone from Kawasaki, any guesses? Balancing 8.3 pounds. So the can alone is 3 pounds heavier than the full exhaust from Thailand. Interesting. All right, let's get that head pipe off. Okay, stock head pipe, pretty much balancing 2 pounds even. So 10 pounds, 5 pounds. So I would say that's a pretty substantial weight loss. Yeah, so far we're gonna say 5 pounds and up high where it counts. Let's see if this guy fits. Okay, before I bolt it on, I wanted to use some starting fluid and or alcohol or something that similar to, knock off any oils or from your hands or what have you. Because once this gets hot, those are gonna leave a permanent stain. So always do that on a new exhaust. Okay, well, all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, 5 less pounds. It seems well made. It sounds okay. There are no exhaust leaks yet. I say yet because, the durability of the exhaust is what is in question, right, for the price. But, yeah, I don't know. When you consider a full exhaust from other manufacturers, push $800, why not give one a shot for $295, $298, $300, $310, $320? We'll try this $300 exhaust. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna be fine. If not, we go back to stock and we put 5 pounds back on, right? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in the garage here a little bit. A few days before Christmas. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, all the things. Whatever it is that you celebrate, have a great one. And you guys ride safe, and I'll see you out there. Oh yeah. After.